how you doing? Pat here with Pat's Rides. Out on a nice overcast day. Let's figure out where we're going to go today. Stick around, stay tuned, and we'll find out together. Welcome back. This is only the second time I've been on this portion of the road, and there's something down here I kind of wanted to show you. It's only maybe about a mile away. It's late May, still spring. Man, does it smell good through here. Even though I'm still in Ohio, it kind of reminds me of the smells of the Appalachian Mountains. Alright, if memory serves, I got a little surprise right up around this corner for you. And there it is. Greg Mill Bridge, 1881. Last time I was here, I was on my big old touring bike and just turned around and went back. There she is in the mirror. But today we're going to figure out where this road goes. You turkey. Get it? You turkey. Get it? Well, let's turn right, because that's kind of the direction I want to go anyway. Unless I change my mind and end up not going where I want to go. Does that make sense? You know how it is when you go out for a ride. Some days you start out with a destination and then you end up never getting there because you just chose to make a random turn. This turn wasn't so random, it was planned, but going down these roads was completely random. But we'll see where I come out. Zanesville here sure has some beautiful buildings. If you're ever in the area, take a little extra time to check some of them out. Bringing you a different way than I normally would. I was just trying to get through town as quick as possible. Figured I'd show you off a little of the buildings here. There are a ton of churches right in this little area. Check out the old buildings. Love these homes. They just don't make them like this anymore, especially when they're rounded like that. There's a Muskingum River up ahead. I don't know how well it will turn out on camera here. We're going to be following that for just a little bit down to McConnellsville. Finally, everybody's out of the way. So now I can at least enjoy the road without getting stupid. Alright, here we are coming into downtown Athens. It's 11:11 a.m. Time for lunch. And if you hadn't figured it out already, we're going right up here to my favorite place in town. And what is that, you ask? I'll show you here in just a second. And I can't believe how dead this town is with this COVID stuff and no college. There you go, Obetty's Red Hots. That's where we're having lunch today. Alright, lunch has been had at Obetty's Red Hots, which was awesome as always. I'll put a link in the description to their Facebook page and website in case you want to check them out. If you're ever in Athens, please stop. You won't regret it. But, that being said, we're now in Hocking Hills, Ohio. If you're not familiar with that, it's in the southern part of the state, southeastern part basically, and I'm on State Route 56 right now, heading west. Soon to be turning on State Route 374. I don't know if you can see it there on the GPS. That will eventually take us back out to US 33 to a 4-lane and then the interstate home basically. I know it's not the best way, but that way I can get home at a decent time still. Ash Cave is just down here. We got Cedars Falls Old Man Cave, which I'm not going to stop at. I've been there on some of my other videos, and I'm sure I'll be there again. So when things are normal, and I know nothing's normal right now with this COVID crap, traffic can get really bad through here, especially on a weekend. This is a beautiful road, a lot of curves, a lot of deer. Today, for whatever reason, seems like big birds are a problem. First that took here earlier, then several buzzards being on the road. First trip down here this year. As a matter of fact, what is today? I don't know. It's the Wednesday after Memorial Day. I'll put something on the screen, but this is my longest ride of the year. It'll probably be around a 350 or so mile day when I get home. Between the bad weather, all the COVID closures, this has been a horrible motorcycle season so far. I was supposed to be going to Alaska here in a couple weeks, but that's obviously not happening. Another thing to watch out for is campers when you're here on the weekends especially. Ooh, just hit some stones there. Didn't even see them. Alright, I don't know if you can see the sign there for Cedar Falls. I'll slow way down here. Oh, they've got it closed. You've got to be kidding me. Anyway, you go down that drive, and that's the longer walk to get there, but you can actually walk there from Old Man's Cave. If you want the real short walk, right up here is a parking area, and I'll show you that in a minute. I got that closed off, but that's the parking area to go to the short way. Go across that bridge right there, and literally it's right over there. So, I've never done any of the camping stuff around here, so I can't tell you anything about that. Alright, hopefully that sign will show up on video. You got Old Man's Cave, Conkle's Hollow, which is a great place to go, Rock House, and Cantwell Cliffs. Been everywhere but Rock House. Need to try that. You got some good hiking there from what I understand. Can't-Well Cliffs has good hiking. Old Man's Cave has it. Ash Cave is minimal. Conkle's Hollow is pretty cool. You've got a path that just goes straight in and out, which is only like a half mile. Or you can go walk the upper rim. It's like 2 miles if memory serves. When I do that, I like getting there about daybreak. Seen lots of deer and things in there doing that. But anyway, this is where you would pull off, normally go to Old Man's Cave, and as you can see, the virus doesn't infect Walmart, but it infects the outdoors. So obviously we can't go in there because, God forbid, you might get fresh, clean air. I'm used to taking this road in the other direction, so it's amazing. A road I've ridden lots and lots of times, but almost always the other direction, how foreign it seems. Okay, right here at this intersection, Conkle's Hollow, Big Pine Road and 374, you turn a right here, and it's just down the road on your left, maybe a tenth or two of a mile. Matter of fact, all this over here is part of the walking area. Alright, we're slowing way down here. This is Rock House right here. Alright, here we are getting back on 374. 374 and 180 are the same road for a little while. And just up the road here is Can't-Well Cliffs. And I'm sure it's going to be closed too. You gotta watch for rocks through this corner. We're going to slow down because it's right up here. And we're going to pick it up. There's the sign. Alright, as you can see, the sign's right here. You have two ways to get in and out, depending on if you're going north or south. But right here's the road. That's the one way, and right here's the other. And of course they had to be on my side of the road. Alright, I think I'm probably going to end this video here because it won't be too much longer. I'm going to be done with 374 here, and I'm going to be coming out on, what is that, US 33. I know I said it once already. I never claimed to be the sharpest pencil in the box. And once I'm on 33, I'm just going to take that over to Columbus, get on the interstate, and start heading home. Which nobody wants to view that footage, right? Alright. Unless I stop or do something else, it's film worthy. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and see you next time.